In this video, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can increase your lead capture by up to 390%. This isn't a statistic that I made up myself. This is a study that was actually done by another organization, and it's 100% free. What's up, guys? My name is Matt Smith. Over the last decade, I've built and sold multiple businesses, and I've done tens of millions of dollars in revenue. And today, I want to teach you how in your home service business, you can increase your lead capture by up to 390%. Now, for all of my coaching clients that I work with, this is one of the very first things I always talk about because I believe in it so much. But today, I watched an Alex Hormozi video, and he talked about this exact thing. So I figured, hey, if Alex thinks it's important, I'm going to talk about it one more time. And the thing that I love to teach on is what I call speed to lead. Now, it's no doubt, especially in the home service business space, whether somebody reaches out to your company on Facebook, maybe it's a Google ad, maybe it's a website submission, whatever the case is, the faster we respond to that lead, the better chance we capture it. But I'm sure some of you guys have experienced, sometimes you're not able to get to a lead maybe for 15 minutes, a half hour, maybe even the next day. And oftentimes what happens is you go to call that lead back and they don't answer and you never get a hold of them again. And we're going to fix that today. The study that showed that you can increase your lead capture by 390% was simply by doing this one thing. And that one thing was this. It was simply responding to every single lead within 60 seconds or less. You're like, Matt, well, I just don't know how the heck I'm going to do it. Well, I don't want to hear the excuses because if you want more jobs, if you want more customers, this is 100% free. This isn't something you have to pay to do to improve inside of your business. You simply have to figure out a system that you can implement, whether you're a one-man show or you have a big operation, figure out a system, implement it so your speed to lead increases dramatically. Now, a lot of the coaching clients that I work with, I'll say, hey, how fast do you guys respond to leads? They'll say something like, within 5 minutes. And they think that's really good, but it's not good enough. If you want to increase your lead flow massively, this is the only thing you have to focus on right now. As you watch this video, I want you to sit down, write in a notebook, whatever you have to do, and figure out what system has to be implemented in order for you to be able to respond to your leads faster. And I can guarantee you, if you respond to your leads within 1 minute of them coming in, you're going to see a massive inflow of leads that you would have otherwise missed out on. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion in the comments, what your response time is right now inside of your business for when leads come in. And by the way, if you'd like to hear more valuable content like this and you like podcasts, check out my podcast, The Service Industry Podcast. You can find it anywhere you listen to your episodes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next video.